aim of this video is to talk you through how to create a detailed turnover snapshot report using snapshot reporting. By this point, you'd have probably already seen our videos on how to complete a high-level turnover snapshot report. The idea of that is to give you high-level numbers which are easily manipulated. However, if you actually want to know who that data is regarding, then that's when you need the detailed turnover snapshot to complement the high-level snapshot report. So the guide is laid out very similarly to the high-level report guide, and I'm just going to scroll down to the first actual section. So I'm going to ignore all the important considerations because they can be read separately, but just want to talk you through step by step how to do the actions. That brings us to this page, creating formula fields at the employment record level. And as you can see, we need to create one field on the employment record. So to do that, let's navigate into Setup, then to Object Manager, and let's find our employment object, which is just here. Then, following the instructions in the guide, I need to create a new field by navigating to Fields and Relationships and selecting New. This is a formula field, and I'm going to call it Active Employment. And it is a number field to 0 DP, which is decimal places. Now let's press Next. And I'm just going to simply copy and paste the formula that exists within the guide and just check that the syntax is valid. And it is, which is great. I'm going to treat blank fields as blanks and then press Next. Next again. And I'm going to hide this from the employment record page. I only want it for use in the background. Now, one thing to note when navigating kind of through this guide with me is that I am copying and pasting the exact formulas that are in the guide, and I am labeling all the fields exactly as they are in the guide. If you choose to label any of the fields slightly differently to what is in the guide, then the formulas that exist later on might not copy and paste, and you might need to amend them to reflect the actual labels you've used.